Good afternoon, kids. So let's continue with geography chapter 7. So we have already learned the types of few transports, that is we have learned about railways and roadways. Now we talk about waterways. Children, waterways is using water like ocean, seas, rivers, like we use oceans and seas for transportation to go from one place to another or to transfer goods from one place to another. This can be done inland, means within the country also, and we can do from one country to other countries also with the help of oceans. Okay, now children, if you go to see, water transport is the cheapest. Okay, cheapest transport is water transport, but the thing over here, it takes a lot of time. Okay. Now we have many ports, especially famous ports. Ports are places where ships do the loading and unloading, means we climb the into the ships, or we come out of the ships, the place where the ship stops. Okay, and do the takes the people or takes the goods, that is called a port. So which are the famous ports of the world, children? So they are Singapore, Mumbai in Asia, then New York, Los Angeles in South America, Rio de Janeiro, Janeiro, in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, then Sydney in Australia, London and Rotterdam in Europe. So these are the famous ports where transportation of goods and, you can say, movement of people takes place with the help of ships. Okay, so water transport is also one of the, and the main thing in water transport, children, we can carry very heavy loads. Okay, if the goods are very heavy also, no problem, ships can easily take care of it. Clear? And the two types of waterways are inland waterways and sea routes. Clear? Inland waterways means within the country only, wherever water flow is there, boats moving from there. And sea routes means from one country to another country, that way. Got it? Now children, and the last type of transportation is airways. Airways means, what will come in your mind? The planes, correct? Aeroplanes, helicopters and that all. Now children, this is the speediest transport, means you can reach very long distances in very few time. Okay, it saves your time a lot, but it is very costly, correct? Now basically, and the why it is costly, because for running of a aeroplane, to make one aeroplane, the material which is required, and the petrol, the diesel required, the fuel required, that all charges are very high. So accordingly the ticket charges also will be very high. Okay, yeah. And these airways, there is a problem. If there is storm in the like in the sky, if that time it is very foggy, very cloudy, or it's heavily raining or something, then the planes have to be stopped, they can't work. Okay, if it is very foggy or there are heavy storms or something, then during those times you can't use air transportation. Okay, yeah. And air transportation is possible only where airports are there. If you want to go some village area and there is no airport over there, the plane will not land only, it cannot come down only over there, special airports have to be built. Okay, so this all is very costly. To form an airport, you require a big land to make it proper, so it is very costly. But the best use of airways is when calamities are there. Natural calamities means like suddenly earthquake or tsunami, volcano, or people are trapped in some fire somewhere, or they fall down somewhere in the, like there is a flood and people are drowning. So such, when such situations are there, the best thing is helicopters can reach there very fast. And how they can help? By saving the animal, saving the people by carrying them. Okay, from there they will carry all the people, and one by one they will put them to some safe areas. So the best use are of airways during calamities. Got it? Now, now which are the ports you means which are the airports you find in the world? Now, before I say about which airports you find in the world, children, how airways helps us during calamities. Look, they can easily provide through helicopters. They can distribute food, water, clothing, medicines. Correct? And also they can carry people from one place to another to save their lives. Some important airports are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo. Clear? So with this, our four types of transportation gets over. Now the last topic in this chapter is about beta communication. Now what is communication? Whatever you want to say the message, whatever you want your idea to be known to others. So you speak out or you say you do some signs. So it is like conveying your message to someone. That is called communication. Okay? Communication is a process of conveying messages to others. Nowadays, because of development of technologies, there are a lot of because of development of technologies, you can find many ways of communications. Can you say some ones? Look, there is TV, newspapers, mobiles, internet. Nowadays, so many things. And now, because of technology, when satellites are there. Because of satellites, not only your country, but even the other country, what is going on, easily you can get news about it. You are aware. Live, you can see what is going on somewhere else. Okay. So, because of technology, you can cover a lot of area. Now, because of technology, mass media is becoming very popular. Children, meaning of mass media means one message you can convey to many people together in a second. Correct? If you just say it in news something, the news are seen by so many people. So you are conveying it to many people. Got it? Now children, because of technology only, it is so easy nowadays. You can just, due to technology, what you can do, you can just sitting at your home only. If you want to go out somewhere, you can book a ticket for train, for a bus, for an aeroplane, even for cinemas. If you want to go, you don't have to go in a line, in a queue, stand over there and take a ticket. No, you can just do it online, sitting at home through mobile. So technology has helped us a lot. Okay, with this the chapter gets over. Read the chapter. Okay then kids, see you. Bye bye.